Today I'm going to show you how to do the fraction models um, finding parts. So in June 6 folder, you should go to the fraction models, your turn, click on that. And then remember you need to click up here. It's not going to come in here, but it will come in up here if you click here. Then I scroll down a little bit. I'm going to use this arrow here to go to the game. And this time we're going to do find the other part. So here is our problem up here. Kiara is playing a game of cosmic blobs. She found 2/3 of the gizmos she needs to find in order to win the game. There were 12 gizmos remaining. How many gizmos had Kiara found? So down here, these instructions are really helpful because they'll say read the word problem. That's good. Then begin to build a model. Tap the check mark to check your work. So over here, we have to decide where this goes. So total gizmos is going to be our label for the top, and this is going to become our fraction bar in the bottom. And then we hit the click check mark. Next, it says use the slider to divide the block into the correct total parts. Total parts is the key word there. You are building the fraction 2/3. So which of these numbers gives us the total number? The total number is our denominator, so that should be 3 parts. So I'm going to move this until I have 3 equal parts, and then I'm going to click the check mark. Then it says, great, now select blocks to make the fraction 2/3. Tap the check mark to check your work. And if you don't like reading, you can click this. And it will read it to you. So now we have, we need to select 2 pieces. That's our numerator. That's how many we need for the fraction. So I check 2 of those and click here. So now I have to decide, okay, 2/3 represents the gizmos found or the gizmos remaining. So I need to come back up here. Kiara is playing a game of cosmic blobs. She found 2/3 of the gizmos. So 2/3 is the amount she found. So what's left over is the gizmos that are remaining. So now it says 12 gizmos were remaining. So I know that if this is the gizmos remaining, then this is what I need here. And so that means what I don't know is the gizmos that were found. And right here, how many gizmos had Kiara found? Well, that's my question. So it makes sense that that would be my question mark there. So now is where I need to problem solve. And again, when you're making models yourself, I can't reiterate enough how important the labels are to each thing so that each of your parts has meaning and makes sense. So if this is telling me that this is 12, that tells me that these are all equal parts. So if one of them is 12, this has to be 12, and this has to be 12. So I know I have 2 groups of 12 to equal the amount that she found. So you can use a piece of paper or you can use your basic facts. 12 plus 12 or 12 times 2 would be 24. So I click in here, 24. That clears it. I hit this to check it, and it says awesome work. And then I move on to the next problem. And this is where you will go to your own, practice doing it on your own, reading the instructions down here and doing the little parts that you need to.